That one's too big. Go around that way. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, that's a big one. Woo, you did it. Ooh, that's a big one. Keep going, you got it. There you go. You can get off and push it up.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh. You got it?
I got it.
You got it? Okay. Wow, that's a big hill. Are you okay? You need some help? You sure?
Whoa.
Okay. You got it. There you go. Are you going to ride down that big hill? Go ahead, you can do it. Whoa! Is that okay? You alright?
I did Dragon Bird.
You did? Hey, Brevin, can you say hey, Nanny and Poppy?
Extra.
You gotta do it on this side, and then I'll show you. Tell them what you did.